folks, and welcome to the Fishing with Den channel here on YouTube. I'm Den, and as the name suggests, it's all about taking you fishing with me and hopefully providing you with some enjoyment and some helpful tips and hints along the way. In addition to the fishing trips, I'll also be posting up some how-to videos, and they're going to cover all sorts of DIY projects, from making floats to larger projects like building tackle boxes. Don't worry, you don't have to have lots of tools for them. Anyone with the basic tools you find in any garage can do it. I know I've got all the tools, it just makes it easier for me. So anyway, I've retired now and I can go fishing wherever I want. And if that sounds smug, well, it's meant to be, folks. I paid my dues to the demon work, so now I'm going to enjoy myself, and I'll see you on the net.